How's it going, dear?
Not bad at all. I can guarantee they'll be giving me a standing ovation, honey.
I believe in you, but you'll get sick and not be able to go anywhere if you don't close the window.
I hadn't really noticed that. I can't think of anything outside of this ceremonious occasion.
Here is an ice-cold water for my dad. I thought you'd like some.
Oh, this is perfect, Mutlu. I need to be in shape for the ceremony. I want to first thank my wife for her undying support, of course, and then also my children. Hey guys, can you all play a little bit more quietly while I'm working?
I'm sorry, Daddy. We got into this game and forgot the world around us.
It's fine, I understand. I want to play around with you guys too, right after the ceremony's concluded.
Why is Dad coughing like that, Neşe?
I don't know, but I hope he's not gonna get sick before the ceremony.
Everybody like to think.
Hey, honey, it's so cold outside. Aren't you freezing, dear?
No, I'm just going over and over and over my speech for the ceremony. Ooh.
I think you need to come inside and lay down for a while.
Don't you worry, dear. I'll run it a couple more times and then join you inside, all right?
There he goes.
Have you all been sitting here waiting for me all night long?
We can't wait any longer to hear your speech, dear.
That's right. Come on, Dad, come on.
Oh, I'm sorry to disappoint you guys, but I feel a bit tired. Let's let my speech be a surprise for you all, huh?
Enan, dear, are you feeling okay?
I'm fine. I'm just a bit tired is all. I'll be fine come the morning sun, trust me, honey.
39 degrees? Ah, sweetheart, I warned you, didn't I?
This is so bad. Don't you think I'll be fine for tonight, honey?
Unfortunately, we don't know yet, honey.
Wait a minute. My dad's not going to be able to go and get his award tonight?
I wish there was a way for him to attend the ceremony.
Ah, kids, I understand, but there's nothing we can do. Health is the most important thing in life.
The news is not good, everyone.
My dad got sick, and he can't get out of the bed. I hope he gets well soon. He must be very sad now that he can't accept his award.
I wish we could do something for him and get him to that ceremony.
Oh, actually, I may have a really good idea.
An idea? The kind of idea that will get my dad to the ceremony?
We'll at least do the best we can. There's nothing to worry about. See that? Let's enter the last numbers now.
Awesome! It's perfect, Minnie!
Mr. Kanan can go to the ceremony and get his award now.
Come on then, we need to get out of here before it's late.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie,